I'm showing you our new M12 band files. We have two sizes, 10mm and 13mm. And the 13 one is a world first in this battery class. Those two sizes are most common, for example, in automotive segment, which is still dominating by air tools. This tool is great also for metal workers who are removing welds from the tight places. The kit version is coming with two 4-amp batteries, and with one battery you can remove 65 spot welds. We have also here two speeds, and the other one is good to remove another materials than metal, for example wood. We have also reverse mode to control your sparks. We have two tool-free functions, one tool-free belt change and 360 degrees head adjustment. We have also variable speed trigger and lock to work longer periods. The bare unit weighs only 800 grams, so it's good for one-handed applications and two-handed applications. Here you can see tool in action.